On the SciSync app, select Add Account. Select the wallet and the SIA coin. Verify the SIA coin on the X1 vault. Enter the PIN for this wallet. Tap any one of the 4 X1 cards below the X1 vault. Your accounts are being synced. You can add an existing account or a new SIA account. Your accounts have been added successfully. To receive SIA on the Cypherock X1, on the SciSync app sidebar, select Receive Crypto. Select the wallet and the SIA account. Verify the asset and the wallet name on the X1 vault. Enter the PIN for this wallet. Tap any one of the 4 X1 cards below the X1 vault. Make sure that the address displayed on the SciSync app matches with the one displayed on the trusted display of the X1 vault. Copy this address and confirm on the X1 vault. Now you can use this address to receive SIA using the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet.